Today we're going to answer a viewer's questions about everyone is you pushed out. So let's talk about that. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a law of attraction coach, and if you haven't already heard, we do have Create Your Future has now launched email coaching. I've got 2 excellent law of attraction coaches that I've trained with my concepts down below. Hit the link and definitely sign up. They're amazing. I also oversee all of the coaching. So today we're talking about a viewer's question for everyone is you pushed out and third parties. So just before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in yourself. So the question, the basic gist of the question that the viewer asked is, so is the relationship between 2 other people something that they've pushed out, or do they have their own reality? Okay, so nobody in your reality has any free will except for you. Nobody in your reality has any free will to think except for you. So technically, everybody in your reality is either a bunch of stuffed teddy bears, robots, puppets, whatever you want to call them, okay? So basically, right, if you've got Jerry in a relationship with another person, we'll say Mr. Vape. Okay, so now they're in a relationship together. Now, neither of them have free will. You've basically created the relationship with your own thoughts, whether it be directly or indirectly, generally or specifically. Okay, so you've gotten them together so you can actually change the relationship and end their relationship and break them apart, because you're the one that's the only one with the ability to think and free will in your reality. So if you think, you know what, Mrs. Vape does no longer likes Jerry and they're going to break up and Mrs. Vape's going to go find someone better, then that's exactly what's going to happen, because you're the only person in your reality with the ability to think. So you create everything around you. Now, how much detail you want to put into that is completely up to you. You can be as detailed or as general as you like. However, when it comes to third party in another relationship, I mean, you definitely want to, create that they're no longer together. The other person's found someone better and Jerry's coming back into your life. You do have the power to do that. Okay, you create everything in your life. Nothing happens by chance. Everything in your reality and everybody in your whole entire reality is a product of your thoughts. You've created all of it. You are that powerful. Okay, and you've created it with your thoughts. So if you don't like the quality of your life in your 3D world, then you want to go back and do some quality control with your thoughts. Okay, so for instance, dwelling on something like, why is Jerry with her? Well, that's only giving more power to having the third party. So no, Jerry loves me and only me. They've already broken up. In fact, Mrs. Vape has found someone better for her, and me and Jerry are back in a relationship again. We're going to be back together. I am good enough, and Jerry does love me, right? So yeah, you can also change the relationship that you have with your mom, your brothers, your sisters, with everybody in your life, because ultimately you choose how they show up in your life and how they act and how you act with them. So yeah, absolutely. So to recap and answer the question, okay, do other people have their own realities? Absolutely not. Not in your reality. You're the only person with the ability to think in your reality. You are God. You're the only person that is alive in your reality. Everybody else is a bunch of stuffed animals and teddy bears. Okay, so you can say that, oh, so-and-so is going to have a great relationship with Mrs. Vape, or you can say so-and-so Jerry's going to be with me in a relationship. You can create that Jerry's got excellent health. You can create anything you want. You can create all these great things about Jerry. You can also create all these bad things about Jerry. How do you do that? You do that with your thoughts. So no matter what you've gone through, whether you were broken up with or they broke up with you, if you want to manifest someone back, you've always got to look for the good in them, okay? So let's say me and Jerry had this big bad breakup, and then he went and he started dating somebody else. Okay, so in order to manifest him back, okay, because I'm the only person with the ability to think in my reality, I have to start saying, oh no, Jerry wants to be with me. They're going to break up. Jerry's going to be back with me because I am good enough and Jerry loves me. Me and Jerry are meant to be together, and Jerry's an excellent guy and he loves me a lot. That's why we've also got to lose any sort of rejection story, because we've created it anyway. Okay, Jerry didn't reject me or hurt me by going and dating somebody else, because ultimately I created that with my thoughts. So I need to change that with my thoughts. Of course they're breaking up. Of course Jerry's coming back together with me. Of course Jerry loves me. I am good enough. I am amazing. And then Jerry comes walking back. Of course, like with anything, it's not just creating one or two intentions here or there. It's about persistent assumption, which I've talked about in other videos. So anyways, yeah, exactly. You know what? You create the reality. You create everything out there. So yeah, if your Jerry is with somebody else, you can create that relationship ends and that he comes back to you, because neither of them have any free will or the ability to think in your reality. You are God of your reality, and you are also very powerful. Okay? And the only thing that you need to do is to watch your thoughts and be on a mental diet of thinking positive about yourself and seeing the good in other people and believing that you can have everything that you possibly want, because you can. And it's only just the thought away. Anyways, that's my video for today. I love you all. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, and the works. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.